We're here for our customers. It takes a lot to make sure that the system is built up to ideally withstand any interruption to your service. So we are out there maintaining our power lines, we're investing in our transmission and our distribution system, and we're also taking care of some of those trees that could cause power outages. So some of the most important work that we do is the work actually before a major weather event to maintain, inspect our facilities, and also build improvements into our transmission and distribution system so that at the end of the day, you're not experiencing lapses in the ability to turn your heat on. Also, we want to make sure that your internet stays up and uninterrupted. So at the end of the day, what we do to prepare our grid in advance of the storm to make sure that your life is not disrupted is the most critical. We've implemented key initiatives to help our customers with special needs during storms. Through our emergency medical equipment notification program, customers that are on life support devices can get upfront information about pending weather events as well as outage status. So to stay prepared or for more information, please visit our website, or you can always download our mobile app.